So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video we'll be doing an Acer Nitro 5's battery drain test. I know this is not a smartphone to do an battery drain test and battery charging test, but yeah, let me just do this thing also. Now you can see the battery is around fully charged, so it is an 100% fully charged. So I'll be running normal usage. So now the brightness is I will be using around 50%. The brightness is 50%. Now let me just unplug the charger. You can see I'll be unplugging the charger. So charger has been unplugged, but you can see I don't know why it has dropped again to 90% instantly. Now let me open YouTube, my favorite. Everyone will watch YouTube and anything movies, the streaming content, and everyone audios will be in the speaker, so around 30%. Audio will be around 30%. Just start from the beginning. So before starting, let me just run the stopwatch here. Alarm, mind clock, timer. Let me just run the stopwatch. So now the stopwatch has been started. So it is currently around 99%. So it is showing 3 hours 18 minutes. Let me just check how much time we will get. So now I'm currently playing on. You just play on 1080p itself, because usually people will watch only on around 1080p pixels. So we'll be streaming only our videos on YouTube.
I think you need some time. I think you need some hope. I think you need someone to tell you that this is the darkest road.
So now the laptop has been completely discharged. So you can see, let me just turn on. So if I try to turn on the laptop means let me show you. So it is showing critical low battery. So I'll be connecting the charger. So here I'll be plugging, and even I've been noticing how much time it will take to charge 0 to 100%. Now the laptop is completely discharged. Charging plugged has been started. So let me just turn on now. Now let me just turn on. Okay, so now let me just check how much battery has been remaining. So it has been turned off on 5% remaining. So the battery backup has been 4 hours and 34 minutes. So this is the battery backup that I have got from the 0 to 100%. Just played. I have played just YouTube videos. So here is my playlist and some of the YouTube videos. I have played at 1080p 60 fps. I have played. So you will get around 4.5 hours. So previously when I have tested also by watching some movies also, even I have also got around 4 hours, same 4 hours 30 minutes, 4.5 hours, which is pretty much good in my opinion. Let me just go to clock and reset that thing, reset the stopwatch, and let me just start this again, because I need to check. I'll be not using this laptop, just charging. So it is showing 2 hours 9 minutes to get completely charged, and let's check how much time it will take to charge completely. A timer has been started. So remember, I have started a timer on 5%. So it is showing 6%. I'll be using the original charger. So I'll be monitoring this laptop. So this percentage of every 20%. So after 20%, I'll be showing how much time it is taken to charge, and 20% of that. So now it has charged around 23%. So it has charged 23%. It has taken around 21 minutes to get charged. 23. So now it has been charged around 50%. So it's still showing 1 hour 7 minutes to get fully charged. 6%. It has taken around 1 hour 25 minutes to charge. So next I will be checking on 90%. Now it has been charged around 91%. So it is showing 12 minutes to get fully charged, and let's check how much time it will take to get fully charged. So finally it has taken around 2 hours 2 minutes to get completely charged. So you can see it has 100% charge. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.